Okay, you ready to swim to the wall? Are you ready? Ready? Close your mouth. Ready? Go! Kick, 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 kick. Hang on. Hang on to the wall. You're not gonna hang. There's no crying anymore. I'm so proud of my little girl. No crying. Oh, you can lay down. There. Yay! Yay, big girl. Ready to do it again? Three, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. Ready? One more. Good example. Yay, Emily! You keep going for the camera. Okay, so let's do this one. Ready? Let's do one more. Let's do a kick to the wall. Ready? Close your mouth. Ready? Go! Kick, 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 kick. Yay! Wow! I can swim! I can swim, everybody! Say hi, Santa! Hi, Grandma! Hi, Grandpa! Hi, Grammy! Hi, Grampy! I'm a swimmer! How's that? Yeah. Want to do a Humpty Dumpty? Let's do Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty's gonna take a peek. 1, 2, 3. Fall! Kick, 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 kick. Whoa! Wow! That's our new one. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty. Ready again? Ready? Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great. Kick, 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 kick. And for the wall, go. Kick, 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 kick. Yeah, we went a little far away that time, huh? That was a little too far. Oh, my little girl. Oh, my little girl. So big. Yeah. That's sunscreen. Ready? Now find Mommy. Here's Mommy. Close your mouth and go. Kick, 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 kick. You found Mommy. Yay! Phew. You're not even swallowing any water today, are you? That's Ronnie. Swallowing the water. So what do you think? Am I very impressive, everybody? Daddy's impressed. Oh, oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah. Swim to the wall. Kick, 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 kick. Kick, 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 kick. The pool at where she learns has a little ridge that she can grab onto. She's not grabbing onto ours the same way she does the one over there. However, we still know we should head for the wall. We still know to head for the wall. Say bye-bye.